Let's add some openings onto the 2-point perspective boxes that we just made. We're going to add some doors and windows and some extra openings. Okay, so again, start with a line. I'm going to do a little doorway, kind of a garage door type of thing right here. Okay, now I want to see all the way in to this, kind of like it's a hallway. So I'm going to add a line here. Now it's just by coincidence that it goes from corner to corner. Okay, you can add a little bit of shading in, and that kind of helps to see the space a little bit better. So here we've got the floor. Okay, versus a wall right here. Let's also do a big recessed opening or a window right up at the top here. This is going to come back. This would probably also be a really good place for a sign, but we're going to practice letters tomorrow. Let's see, I'm going to make this 3 windows. So I'm going to put a little bit of space. Let's see. In between them, just like this. Now the extra little line right there, I'll just erase that right here and right here. Now I want to make these with a little windowsill. So I'm going to put a small little line from my corner going back to my vanishing point. Take my ruler, drag it, keep a parallel line to my side, and guess what I can do? I can actually pre-draw the other lines here if I know approximately how much space is going to go in between them. Now I might have to make a little bit of adjustments, but at least I've got that line in there. Okay, and then the only one that I have to redraw is this line right here. Okay, so that gives a little bit of depth to my windows. Got my windows there, but then they have a little windowsill, which just kind of makes it a little bit more natural. All right, now what if I wanted to make like a really big kind of indentation into my building? I'm going to do this one really, really big. I actually did that up backwards. I did the end one first, but that's okay because I know that it's going to be parallel to my beginning one, just like that. Now I want to have this space be recessed in. Now, because it is overlapping my horizon line, I'm going to see the bottom, the side, and the top of this. Just like that. Okay, so I actually have a really big amount of space, a bit almost like it was, you know, completely empty on the inside. Just like that. In fact, I could draw my horizon line showing through this part, and it looks like that is a hollow space. So that's kind of interesting. We'll explore more of that type of thing coming up pretty soon. All right. what I would like you to do is I would like you to add some doors, openings, doors with frames around them, doors that are, you can look like it, you can walk right into it like this. Like this one, you could also just do a couple of regular doors, some windows, some inset windows, and that type of thing.